Alright, so now we are here in Canva Calm Help Generate with Dreamlab. So you can go here, guys, and see how can you generate images with Dreamlab. So Dreamlab here is to help you to create stunning AI generated images effortlessly. Whether you want to copy, to download, or use them in your designs, the process is simple and fun. So you can play around with it, guys. So if you want to see my short video that I created inside of Dreamlab, go ahead, guys, and I will put the link on the description so that you can just click it and watch my sample designs, or I make a book, something like that. Okay, so here Canva free users have 20 lifetime Dreamlab uses. Okay, so with the Canva Pro teams, nonprofits, or Canva for education admin and teachers, you have up to 500 Dreamlab uses. This limit is for each member and refreshes every first of the month. So this feature isn't available to everyone just yet, but we're working on getting it to the whole community. Keep an eye out of your updates. I'll be available to you soon. So this is just something new, guys. So it's still, making work, so it's still working, and let's keep up on the updates for these new features. So here you go. Here from the homepage side menu, select a Dreamlab. So you can go here, guys, and just follow this instruction for if you are using a computer or if you are using a mobile. Here are some instruction on how you can use Dreamlab in your computer or in your mobile phone. So here's also down here the styles and sizes to choose from in Dreamlab. So Dreamlab allows you to choose from a wide range of styles when generating images. The images created will be created in JPEG file format. So there's an option there that you can choose. So just make sure that you choose the format in JPEG or JPG. Okay, here the Dreamlab provides presets such as cinematic, concept, creative, this one, right? The cinematic, concept, creative, bokeh, macro, illustration, 3D. You will see here, guys, over here. All right, you will see these guys over here. When you click the smart, then you will see this one, the cinematic, the creative, the smart. Then you can choose where you can choose the presets provide for Dreamlab. So by clicking all of those smart icons that I've shown you guys. So what are the limitations of Dreamlab? Okay, Dreamlab supports all languages available on Canva except for users in Canva CN. Okay, so all the language. So let's see, guys, if you can check it out there. If your language supports with all languages, it says all languages except for the users of Canva CN. So there's a maximum of 4 images output per use. So like you see, like I did for my where is that? Okay, so I created some designs here. So every time you put a prompts over here and you click create, it gives you 4 images in one time. So that is 1 credit, but you can get 4 images like what you see here. Okay, I created this one yesterday, and I make a tutorial on how you can create a prompt and get some of this if you are making a books for kids, something like that. So you will get 4 images in 1 credit once you type your prompts over here. All right, so here, so that is what they say, maximum of 4 images output per use. It only takes instructions from the description you entered or used in the document. The more context, the more instruction you give, the better your result. So here is where you're going to the instruction, like the prompts that you wanna you wanna make an image for that. So what you're gonna do is just to type here the prompts that you want, the image that you want, or you can ask ChatGPT to help you to create a prompts for the images that you want, and then you put it here and click create, so that it gives you these 4 images of of Dreamlabs. All right, so if you are under 13, you won't be able to access the Dreamlab. This restriction is in place to ensure your safety and privacy while using Canva. So make sure that you read all of this, guys, so you are not get into trouble. So you can only access Dreamlab from the Canva homepage. It's not available directly in the editor, so you'll need to go back to the homepage to use it. All right, So here are other, things that you might be want to know. Can I control who in my team has access to Dreamlab? If you have a team that using Canva, you can choose who can access Dreamlab in your team or class if you're an administrator, teacher, or brand designer. Okay, so you can just put the names, or people, you are all responsible for those who can access the Dreamlab if you are in a team. Okay, so here, can find Dreamlab on the homepage. Click Dreamlab grid restriction for more details. Okay, can I use Dreamlab for commercial use? This is very, very important, guys. There's no easy answer to this, since the treatment of AI generated works under copyright law varies country by country. So it depends on your country, guys. So just be mindful with this. Between you and Canva, you own the images and videos you created with Dreamlab, which are subject to you following our terms. So make sure that you read the terms and conditions. However, whether AI generated images are copyrightable depend on the jurisdiction. So under our terms, you give us the right to host the images you generated on our platform, so we can provide you with the service. Okay, click the terms and conditions. So all AI product terms are here when you click this one. So you can just go ahead, guys, and read all of this. Not only the Dreamlab, the Magic Write, the Magic Edit, the Magic Design, all the features that we're using in Canva. Make sure that you read the AI product terms. Okay. Alright, so after the terms, then similarly, if you use these apps to create recognizable characters or brands, these may be protected by copyright or trademark. So make sure, guys, when you're using something, it's not branded or like trademark, something like that, is you're gonna get into trouble of copyright. Okay, so if you plan to use these images, please get permission from the rights or owners. That we cannot give you this permission. Okay, Canva is not gonna give you a permission if you want to use those branded things or branded images. That you need to ask permission or get a permission from the right owner. So what we're gonna do with here, between you and Canva, you own the images, all right, and videos we created with Dreamlab, which are subject to the following our terms. Okay, however, whether AI generated images are copyrightable depend on the jurisdiction. So here, you give us the right to host the images you generated on our platform, so we can provide you with this service. Okay, so what I'm going to show you guys is this. Okay, so there you go. I created a lot of images that I write my prompt here. So these give me a lot of images. Okay, so for example, I want to take this one. So what we're gonna do is we're going to Canva and we're going to download this. Okay, I'm going to click this one and download it into my computer. Okay, so now let's go back to Canva. And we're going to customize this one. Okay, customize the size, and we're going to put these images into 8.5 by 11 inches. Just click this one. Okay, so this is the size of the book. So if like I've told you, I'm creating a book, so I'm going to use this 8.5 by 11, and then I'm going to upload the one that I downloaded. Okay, so I'm going to click the upload here on your left side. So go to your files and make sure that you upload this one that we downloaded. Okay, so I'm gonna open this one and just let's wait for a second. Okay, so now it's downloading, and I'm gonna click this one or drag this one over here and just make sure that it fits to all of this, just like that. Or you can you can make bigger or things like that, or it's all up to you guys. So I'm gonna make this something like that. There you go. I'm just gonna make sure that it fits into this, and then here maybe here at the bottom, or maybe in the middle, like that. You can put this one. It's all up to you guys. You can design with this. And then I'm going to click a text, and I'm gonna create like a text or the script for this to go. So, all right, so now here on your left side, let's go to elements and let's find some text images. All right, so now we can click all, so you can see this, and maybe we can use this one, like we can put it here. So let's have some text here. So okay, so I'm going to use maybe this one. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. So I asked ChatGPT to create a script for that. So let's see which one. I think I already, yes, script for sharing and taking turns. So the title of this book is The Magic of Sharing Characters. I'm gonna put that one over there. So I'm gonna just copy this one, The Magic of Sharing, and just click on copy, and then I'm going back to here, and I'm just gonna put it here. So I'm just gonna go here and maybe add a heading, and then I'm just gonna paste the one that we get into ChatGPT. I'm gonna move this on the top here. See guys, it's Magic of Sharing, and then I'm going to put this on the top, and I'm gonna put it here, and then I'm just gonna drag this one over here, or I can change this one. Okay, I'm gonna change this one. What about this? All right, there you go. Okay, and then I'm going to click text, and I'm going back to ChatGPT. Okay, and then I'm going to copy the script. Okay, so here is the script, right? So the script is, wow, Milo, that car looks so cool. Can I play with it? So I'm just gonna copy this one. Okay, this is Ella talking. So I'm gonna copy this one, and let's go back here, and then I'm just gonna maybe here, and then I'm just gonna paste it here, and then I'm just gonna drag this one over here on top of this text. I can make this a little bit smaller, just like that, guys, so it fits inside of the text. So wow, Milo, that car looks so good, but this is not a car. Okay, so this is a ball, so we can change this car into a ball. Alright, wow, Milo, that ball looks so cool. Can I play with it? Alright, so I'm gonna get another elements here, so I'm gonna get another text here. Okay, so maybe I'm gonna use this one, and I'm just gonna change the color. Instead of green, I'm just gonna get white. All right, so it goes white there. All right, and then I'm going back to ChatGPT, and then copy the script for her. So here is Milo holding the ball tightly, but I'm playing with it right now. So I'm gonna copy this one, and then go back to here, and let's go to text and get this one and paste it here. All right, so this is Ella and this is Milo. Okay, so maybe you can also put the name here, then you can just put the text, and just the subheading, just put the name like Ella. Okay, so that means that this is Ella talking. Alright, so this is Ella, this is Milo. So Ella says, wow, Milo, that ball looks so cool. Can I play with it? But I'm playing with it right now. Alright, so now you can do like this. And when you do this, guys, this is really your own images because you created it. You know, you add other things like these elements, you add scripts, things like that. So it's gonna be like your own creation. So it's not really like a copyrighted of something or somebody or any branded images that you use because you make out of this or something. Okay, so you can also put the color, and this is the background. All right, so now this is how it looks like when you customize it instead of just using, you know, just as it is, and then you don't do anything, or you know, add something into it, so it looks like a copyrighted. You cannot own those images because it's just you use it's just like that. So my advice to you is just to make a, you know, add a little thing like this or script or things like that. Be creative or make a design for that. So this is one example that you can do when you ask Dreamlab to create an image for you instead of using that image as it. So, you know, make something different, be creative, you know, decorate it, or add something like text or other elements like what I did. These are the elements for text, so it's like different than you just use this, what is that, just like this. All right, so this is the original AI that Dreamlab gave to us. But once you downloaded it and you create something, you add something, you add elements of that, it's not gonna be like the original one. So yeah, that's the one example. There are a lot of things that you can do, guys. You can be creative and, you know, add a lot of things, elements. Just go to Canva and you will see here on the elements side what you are wanna you know, create more, or you can put more of the, like for example here, some clouds. Go to elements and get some more clouds maybe. All right, there are some clouds here. Then you can just you know, get this one maybe, or yeah, then so that kids can, oh sorry, so that kids can color it. If you're creating a coloring page, just like that, make it a little bit smaller, just like that. And then there is a sun over there, so maybe birds, you know, let's grow some birds here. All right, there are birds here that they can also you know, put it here, guys, to color in. Oh, this is cute. I think I like this. I like this one. All right, just gonna put it here, make this a little bit smaller, or maybe you can put it here or here. Yeah, just like that, guys. So you have an idea on how you can customize your images when you use Dreamlab, so you don't get in trouble. And then once you finish with that, then you can add another page, or you know, this is for coloring, so I just leave it white. But if you don't want to you know, to do the coloring page where you can go back here, and instead of you know, using this one, well, I think I made another one like this. You can just use this one. You can download it, edit it, and go back to Canva and create a new size for that, and then just put some script here or add other elements so it makes your own images that you made, mix original, that you really made that that image creation using Dreamlab. So let me know, guys, if you have any questions on this. So that's all for today, guys. This is just an example on how you can customize your images using you created inside of Canva Dreamlab. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, guys, thank you so much for giving time for watching my tutorial, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also click the like and share and the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And for all my subscribers, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. I'm gonna make another more tutorials on Dreamlab, or aside from creating these books for kids, I think I can make other books activities that if you want to try for your kids, or if you are a teacher or teaching preschool like me. So I love making this you know, activities for kids. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.